am Dr. Neeraj Rawani. I am a consultant psychiatrist at Apollo Hospital, Belapur, and today we are going to talk briefly about emotional well-being. So what is emotional well-being? It is a positive sense of well-being which enables an individual to be able to function in society and meet the demands of everyday life. People with good mental health have the ability to recover effectively from an illness, change, or a misfortune. So for a person to be having emotional wellness, he needs to first sometimes know that there are certain illnesses, psychological illnesses, which can affect his emotional well-being. So we need to be aware that in today's world there are so many psychological illnesses which earlier were discarded as something which was person is lazy, or a person is not up to it, or he is too egoistic. But now we know a person may have depression, a person may have anxiety disorder, a person may have a psychotic disorder which may interfere with his ability to function. So in today's time, with so much of an advance in science, with the knowledge into how our brain functions, we are able to understand why a particular symptom is happening, why a particular type of person is behaving in a certain way. It is not that the person is bad, it is his behavior that makes him look bad. And why is that behavior bad? It is bad because he is suffering from something. Now, a psychological illness is invisible. There is no diagnostic test that we have that we can do and show to a person, like a CT scan, an MRI, or a blood test. You see, these are the neurotransmitter imbalances which are happening, and this is the cause of it. It is more of a subjective and objective evidence. Subjective as in what the person tells, and objective as in what the relatives tell and what the psychiatrist or the psychologist will analyze. So what we need to do now is first to acknowledge there is something called as depression, some anxiety, various types of psychological illnesses. First we need to acknowledge there is something. Then we need to accept that yes, we need some help for it. And then only we can bring about a change. And yes, once we have acknowledged and accepted it, then the proper treatment can be followed up. Without acknowledging, nobody is going to come. Without accepting, nobody is going to come, and we are not going to be able to progress. And that is the purpose for this video. So that we understand, if I am not feeling emotionally well today, what is the cause? I need to see an expert. Please reach out, don't hesitate. It will be a life-changing experience for you. Thank you.